Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this quick Excel tip, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Excel, so all of your cell content fits neatly within your spreadsheet without spilling over into other columns. Step 1. The problem: text that doesn't fit. So here's an example. I've got a spreadsheet listing some of the top guards in the NBA. In column B, I've added some biographical information about each player. Now take a look at this. The text doesn't fit inside the column. For example, if I double-click cell B4, you can see all the text in the formula bar, but it spills over into the next few cells. And when I click away, most of that text disappears behind other columns. Sometimes that's fine. Maybe you don't need all of it visible. But in other cases, you want the full text to show inside the cell. Use the Wrap Text feature. Here's the easiest way to fix it. Select the cell or range that contains the text you want to display properly. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Alignment group, click the Wrap Text button. It looks like ABC with a little arrow. That's the Wrap Text icon. And just like that, all of the text now fits inside the column width. Excel didn't stretch the column. It simply wrapped the text onto multiple lines inside the same cell. Let's zoom out for a better view. You'll notice that the column width stayed the same, but the row height increased to fit all of the text. Now, one thing to be aware of: this can shift your layout a bit. The extra lines push down the rows below. That's not always ideal, but in many cases, it's worth it if you want all your text visible. You don't have to do this one cell at a time. To apply wrap text to a whole column, click the column letter, in my case that's column B, to select it. Click Wrap Text again on the Home tab. Now every cell in that column automatically wraps text to fit within the width. Excel adjusts each row's height, so everything fits neatly. If the wrapped text makes your spreadsheet look too stretched, here's a quick fix. Go to the Home tab, then in the Font group, click Decrease Font Size once or twice. That little adjustment often helps everything look more balanced, without losing readability. Now, sometimes wrapping text can make multiple paragraphs look clumped together, like a big block of text. It's all one long paragraph. To make it more readable, we can add manual line breaks. Here's how. Double-click inside the cell where you want the break. Click just before the word where you want a new line. In this case, before he. Hold down the Alt key and press Enter on your keyboard. That's Alt plus Enter, and it creates a line break within the cell. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is Option plus Return instead. You can tap it again for extra spacing between paragraphs. When you're done, press Enter, and the new line breaks are saved. This makes long text much easier to read while keeping it inside the same cell. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this Excel tip helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new tutorials. See you in the next video.